If you want a better business, if you want a better mind, then you're in the right place. AI is going to ruin both of those for the majority of business owners that are watching this, if you do not pay attention to the points that I'm going to share on this. What I'm going to give you in this episode is one, insights on how to strengthen your mind and ensure that it doesn't atrophy because you're using way more AI than you are your actual mind. Number two, I'm going to give you these strategies on how to become the number one go-to in your market rather than being sucked into the sea of noise that everyone else is now playing in with AI content. If you're a business owner, no matter what industry, this is fundamental, if not crucial, listening/watching that will help you grow your profit, your authority, and your freedom this year. First of all, let's talk about the big problem. The internet is flooded with AI content. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever you receive a message or read something that's AI, how do you feel? Not real. They didn't write it. They didn't proof it. They didn't check it. Is this really for me? Those are a bunch of things that are going through your mind. Why? Because you don't trust it. Why? Because it's easy to do, because it's less effort for the person involved, because less effort equals less intentionality. And that's the big point that I want you to understand here. We have a principle in strengths training that says, if you don't use it, you lose it. Anything that you aren't stimulating, anything that you aren't developing doesn't grow. It dies. If you're not training a muscle, it's going to weaken. So if you're using AI to help with every single decision, if you're using AI to make choices for you, if you're using AI to tell you what to do in life, and you are not practicing the number one gift of being the human, which is called discernment, then you are weakening your ability to critically think and make decisions. Fact, you'll get lazy, you'll get complacent, your memory will suffer, your ability to make fast decisions in the heat of the moment will suffer, your leadership capacity will go down, and you'll need to proof check everything. Fact. And here's what I'm doing personally and with all the founders that I work with to keep the mind sharp. Number one is writing daily. Writing forces you to think. So I still journal, I still ask questions, I still reply to those questions with a written pen and paper. If I have a problem in business, I will try to solve it first and foremost before I bring it to AI. Why? Because I want to exercise the muscle. I'll try and get the answer and the perspectives, and then I'll use AI to broaden my thinking. So it's an extension of my thinking, it's not replacing my thinking. The less friction that is involved in doing something, the less valuable it becomes. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at content. Is it easier or harder to produce? It's easier. It's easier to write stuff. It's easier to do videos. It's easier to do captions and all that kind of crazy stuff. If it's easier for you, it's easier for your competitors. Where does that go? It goes into people being completely disconnected, not trusting your content, not trusting your material because it's not real. I believe that humans are going to have a need to see human input, human content that took actual time to create. Handshakes, personalized videos, mastermind dinners, events, real deal making, real conversations, real check-ins, real care, real attention to detail is massive. The harder it is to scale, the more valuable it is. The more valuable it is, the more people pay attention. The more people pay attention, the more people are going to buy. So coming into this new era, into this new season, put the effort into your marketing and do shit that nobody else is willing to do because it takes time and effort, and that will separate you. So understand that you have a duty and responsibility to keep your mind sharp, train it, give it challenges. That'll make you a better business owner, and you can integrate it with AI and use AI as a soundboard and an extension of your thinking. And then in business, anything that is AI generated is certainly useful, but incorporate that with actions, projects, and activities and expressions of your marketing, sales, and customer process that require manual human touch to drive trust through the roof in a marketplace, in a time and place where AI content is only getting worse and worse and worse and noisier and noisier and noisier, and trust is getting lower and lower and lower. So de-risk your business by practicing discernment and using AI as an extension of your thinking, not replacing your thinking. And anything that is frictionless, invaluable. It's noise. Go out of your way to do the hard things and let people see and experience it, and you will become the number one go-to, the number one authority, the number one respected voice in your market. If you love growing your business, make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out the next video. You don't want to miss this.